Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Spot of Optimism by Danny Albert. Hi, I'm a little spot of optimism. I'm here to help you learn. Look on the bright side. That's the phrase. That phrase is called a figure of speech. It means when you are faced with a disappointing situation, you can focus on positive instead of negative. Are there ways you can explain optimism? How do you stay positive when something bad happens? Great questions. Here are other phrases that relate to optimism when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. When you apply this to life, it can help you stay positive. Even in a sour situation, you have the power to make it more enjoyable. Optimism is all about how you choose to look at a situation. You have the power to look at the glass as full instead of half empty. That's another figure of speech. It means if you focus on what you have instead of on what you don't have, it will help improve your outlook on any situation. When you are able to refocus your thoughts, it's also called shifting your mindset. Your mindset determines how you handle a situation. When you are able to shift your mindset with positive words and actions, it can become easier to persuade in challenging situations. Words, actions, mindset. When you are doing this, you are growing your mindset to be more optimistic. Words are very powerful. The words you tell, you can determine how you feel about a situation. This type of thinking is called self-talk words. That's why it's so important that you choose words that create positive thoughts. Negative thoughts. If you choose negative words, then your negative thoughts get too big. When that happens, I'm going to show you some. If you choose negative words, then your negative thoughts get too big. When that happens, it can make you very sad. It can even make you feel sick. I'm going to show you some words that you can use to shift your thoughts from negative to positive. Negative thoughts, positive thoughts. Let's look when you lost your soccer game. You were sad and disappointed. Instead of letting your self-talk focus on negative thoughts, positive thoughts. You could have chosen words that helped you see the positive. Let me show you. That one. Yeah. To shift a negative thought to a positive thought, you need to be aware of how you talk to yourself. Negative thoughts, positive thoughts. Negative thoughts, positive thoughts. I can do this. I have to practice. I made mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. This is too hard. It's just gonna take some time and effort to figure it out. Look how these small changes make a big difference. Another trick is to ask yourself, what good can I come from this? What can I learn from this? Is there someone who can help me? It's important to make sure you don't put yourself down when things go wrong or are hard. Use words that help you succeed, like if I study, I'll be able to get a better grade next time. An F, a B. It's okay if I feel discouraged, but understand that this feeling is only temporary and it won't last forever. Use words that help you persuade, like, if I keep practicing, I'll get this. Positive actions can also create positive thoughts. Positive thoughts, negative thoughts, actions. Did you know when you grow your confidence spot, your optimism spot grows too? Every morning, wake up and tell yourself an optimistic information. So why don't you repeat when I show you? I think you can see it. Okay, repeat after me. Today will be great. Challenges will make me grow. Things may not be perfect, but deep down I know I have the power to create positive thoughts. By growing my confidence and optimism spots. Be grateful for the things you might take for granted. Try to think about all the good things you notice throughout the day. Write them down. Examples: flowers, I learned a new art technique at school. I read a good book. I had a tea party. I had a good night's sleep. Bring positivity into someone else's life. Offer words of encouragement when they are experiencing a hard time. I'll never be good at soccer. Sure you will. Do you want to practice with me? When you encourage a challenge, focus on the positive. Even if it seems unimportant. Well, I learned stacking blocks makes this way too wobbly. After something good happens, give yourself credit. Think about how you made that outcome successful. Think about your strengths that help you succeed. I'm glad I had perseverance to keep trying to make this tower stable. Look at failure as an opportunity. When something doesn't go as planned, always ask yourself, what can I do differently next time? What did happen? This is a great opportunity to learn a new way to do something. I will need to keep trying. I will figure this. I hope you had a chance to see some ways. Look on the bright side. Remember, optimism takes practice, but ultimately you have the power to choose to have a growth mindset. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!